Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to deposit money from your HSBC account to Venmo in 2025. With the latest updates to banking apps, this process is faster and more secure than ever, making it easy to send money to friends, split bills, or handle everyday transactions. Whether you're a banking newbie or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can get it done in no time. First, make sure you have the HSBC mobile app or website open and you're logged in with your secure credentials. Once you're in your dashboard, head over to the Transfers or Payments section. This is where the magic happens. In 2025, HSBC has improved its integration with third-party apps like Venmo, often through services like Plaid, allowing for smoother connections. Next, look for an option to Add External Account or Link Bank. You'll need to connect your HSBC account to Venmo indirectly by transferring funds to a linked bank account first. Select the amount you want to transfer, double-check the details like the recipient account, and confirm the transaction. Remember, there might be daily limits or small fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Now, switch to the Venmo app. If your HSBC account isn't already linked, go to your Venmo settings, select Banks and Cards, and add your HSBC account. Once linked, initiate the deposit by selecting Add Money in Venmo and choosing your HSBC account as the source. The transfer should process quickly, often in minutes, thanks to instant transfer features. A few quick tips to make this even easier: always verify your accounts to speed up transfers and reduce holds. If you run into issues, check for app updates or contact HSBC support. And don't forget, for security, use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. There you have it, you've just learned how to seamlessly deposit money from HSBC to Venmo in 2025. This method saves time and keeps your finances organized. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.